through inner feelings and intuition. He serves as a trusted advisor to many people while making crucial life choices. Defender of the truth and light, Archangel Michael fights against evil and deception in his capacity as a light-wielding warrior. It is believed that his presence will illuminate the way to sincerity and truth. Dream interpretation. Archangel Michael is revered as a dream interpreter in several cultures. People turn to him for help in deciphering dreams that might contain spiritual messages, protecting people on spiritual journeys. Those who are on spiritual journeys frequently invoke Archangel Michael for protection. When one is exploring their inner selves, their energy is said to act as a shield against harmful influences. Strength and courage. Michael the Archangel is a representation of bravery and inner fortitude. Many people look to him for the resiliency they need to overcome obstacles in life. Restorative and healing. Archangel Michael's healing energy is claimed to comfort and hasten healing in times of physical or mental suffering, cutting through adverse thinking. The sword of Archangel Michael is also regarded as a weapon for severing cords of negativity and ties that could tie people to unwholesome conditions. Global healing and group support. Beyond helping individuals, Archangel Michael's energy is thought to support attempts at world healing and the advancement of humanity as a whole. Frequently asked questions. Even if I'm not religious, can I communicate with Archangel Michael? Absolutely. Anyone who seeks Archangel Michael's assistance can do so regardless of their religious affiliation. How may I call upon Archangel Michael's assistance? You can ask him for assistance by speaking a sincere prayer or by picturing his protective aura encircling you. Is Michael the Archangel, the sole Archangel? No, it is thought that there are numerous Archangels, each with distinctive characteristics and functions. Can Archangel Michael aid in solving relationship problems? You can ask him to help you with numerous parts of your life, including your relationships, to bring clarity and resolve. What does the blue hue frequently connected to Archangel Michael mean? The color blue, which stands for communication, accuracy, and heavenly direction, is his connection to the throat chakra. Conclusion: many people have a special place in their hearts for Archangel Michael because of his unwavering presence and unbounded compassion. His energy is seen as a beacon of light on the path of life, whether one is looking for protection, direction, or strength. Who is Archangel Raphael, and how does this Archangel help humanity on earth? Introduction. Archangel Raphael is regarded as the divine healer and protector of humanity and is a heavenly figure of tremendous significance in many spiritual and religious traditions. This page explores Archangel Raphael's history, characteristics, and function, as well as how these relate to humans on earth. Archangel Raphael, the divine presence. Numerous spiritual traditions, including Christianity, Judaism, and Islam, hold Archangel Raphael in high regard. Raphael is sometimes shown as a radiant figure shrouded in emerald green light, radiating a calm and compassionate energy that stands for healing, rebirth, and protection. Archangel Raphael of healing. Archangel Raphael, who is revered as the supreme healer, uses a strong healing energy to treat not just physical illnesses but also emotional and spiritual problems. People invoke his presence because they have faith in his power to heal and restore and want relief from pain, suffering, and anguish. Archangel Raphael, the guardian of travelers and voyages, stretches his shielding wings to ensure that all journeys are secure, and invoking Raphael's assistance is thought to offer guidance, protection, and assistance whether one is setting out on a literal or symbolic journey. Archangel Raphael in religious writings. Different religious texts make mention of Archangel Raphael. He is referred to in the Judeo-Christian traditions book of Tobit, where he leads Tobias on a quest for healing and understanding. He is referred to as Israfil in Islam and is connected to the trumpet that announces the day of resurrection. Connecting with the Archangel Raphael. It is possible to connect with Archangel Raphael through meditation, prayer, or just calm reflection. A deeper connection can be cultivated by opening one's heart to his calming presence and sincerely asking for assistance. Signs of the presence of Archangel Raphael. Many people think that Raphael speaks to us by small indications, like the presence of vivid green hues, the perfume of roses, or a sense of peace and optimism. These indicators can confirm his presence. Treatment of physical illnesses. Physical health problems are included in Archangel Raphael's ability to heal. While Jesus does not take the place of medical care, many people pray for his involvement to support traditional healing techniques. Mental and emotional healing. You can find comfort and clarity by calling on Archangel Raphael's help while you're going through emotional or mental difficulty. His energy is said to heal psychological imbalances and cure emotional traumas. Spiritual direction and development. The Archangel Raphael encourages spiritual development by providing direction, inspiration, and insights. Deep self-discovery and spiritual growth might result from asking for his help during reflective moments. The function of Raphael in crisis. Archangel Raphael's presence can be especially reassuring during trying times. His energy gives a sense of tranquility and a reminder that healing is possible, whether one is dealing with domestic difficulties or global uncertainty. The relationship of Archangel Raphael to nature. Raphael's healing energy is said to pass through nature as a conduit. One might experience renewal and attunement to his vibrations by spending time in natural environments. Narratives of spectacular healing. Numerous instances of people who miraculously recovered throughout history attribute their recovery to Archangel Raphael's intervention. These examples demonstrate the effectiveness of faith and divine intervention. Collaborations between Raphael and other angels. Archangel Raphael frequently works with other celestial entities, fusing their energies together for particular goals. The healing and protective abilities that these angels possess are amplified by these alliances, establishing a closer bond. It's crucial to cultivate an open heart, practice thankfulness, and be attentive to Archangel Raphael's instructions if you want to foster deep connection with him. Keep in mind that everyone who sincerely requests his assistance will receive it. FAQs. Anyone able to communicate with Archangel Raphael? Absolutely. Everyone who honestly requests Archangel Raphael's assistance has access to his healing energy. Is the healing of Archangel Raphael immediate? Although there are many different types of healing, calling upon Archangel Raphael helps speed and improve the healing process. How do I call upon Archangel Raphael's assistance? You can call upon him by praying, meditating, or just really seeking his direction. What does the emerald green light that is frequently connected with Raphael mean? The emerald green light represents Raphael's lively vitality as well as healing and rejuvenation. Where can I find out more about Raphael the Archangel's significance in many cultures? For more in-depth understanding of his relevance throughout civilizations, consider looking into religious scriptures, spiritual literature, and online resources. Conclusion. For all of humanity, Archangel Raphael is a brilliant source of guidance, compassion, and healing. His presence brings consolation, hope, and the promise of rejuvenation to people of all ages and faiths. Invoking the energy of Archangel Raphael can be a source of support and healing as we traverse life's hardships. Who is Archangel Uriel, and how does this archangel help humanity on earth? Introduction. A celestial figure of great significance in many spiritual and religious traditions is Archangel Uriel. Archangel Uriel, often known as the light of God or the fire of God, is thought to play a crucial role in directing and helping humans on earth. In this article, we'll look into the history, traits, and methods through which Archangel Uriel lends a hand to humanity. The history of and significance of Archangel Uriel. Many spiritual groups generally count Archangel Uriel of the angelic hierarchy as one of the 7 archangels. According to legend, these archangels occupy a high position in the celestial order and act as intermediaries between the divine and human realms. The name Uriel, which means God is my light, emphasizes the angel's function in illuminating the way to knowledge and truth. The position of Uriel in various traditions. Archangel Uriel plays a variety of roles, however, they all revolve around guidance, wisdom, and enlightenment, regardless of the religious system. Uriel is frequently identified in Christianity as the angel who guards Eden's entrances following Adam and Eve's departure. Uriel is viewed in some interpretations of Jewish mysticism as being responsible for fostering humankind's spiritual development. Archangel Uriel's qualities and characteristics. The illuminating flame, the flame or torch that Archangel Uriel is sometimes shown holding represents the light of knowledge that dispels ignorance and darkness. This flame stands for the ability of intelligence and insight to help people overcome obstacles and make wise judgments. Conscience and illumination as